Hi, everyone. Another message for you today. So, today I felt drawn to try the pendulum again. I felt there was some more encouraging information for us. So, it confirmed that our timeline of truth, freedom, justice, and light is accelerating even more. What was the big release and return of normality in June is now earlier. Okay, we've brought it forwards to late April, May. So looking at the astrology, I don't know exactly how this links in or will link in, but we've got on the 29th of April, Uranus square the sun. And then in May, we've got eclipse season again. So 26th of May, full moon lunar eclipse in Sagittarius. So 26th of May, that's about change, climax of a situation, conclusion of this situation. But the real trigger is late April. But as we've seen, things happen energetically and then take longer to play out 3D here on Earth. But this is definitely happening, and we see it happening by the end of May. Then on the 10th of June, it's the new moon solar eclipse in Gemini. That is doors opening, literal doors opening, symbolic doors opening, full steam ahead from there. Okay. So, late April, stay tuned for a big revelation or trigger then. It's in the last 2 weeks of April, but I'm feeling like it's later in April. It's what we've been waiting for. And it triggers a very big momentum, very progressive transition, quick transition back to normality from there. July and August look and feel from the pendulum very strong and very normal. So that's good. And these cards seem to confirm it. So we've got Ace of Pentacles. Aces always happen quickly. Pentacles is the earth signs. To me, that's saying Taurus season, which is late April going into May. And Pentacles is work, money, business, the economy, practical things, things that are real. And it's a fresh, quick, new start, positive start in that area. Then we've got these two major arcana, Temperance and the High Priestess. At first glance to me, I see the light workers, okay? I see the light, the work that we have been doing. Temperance is representing day, High Priestess representing night, and we have worked day and night to make this happen with our meditations, our manifestations, our positive thinking, our focus on truth, freedom, and justice. And that's dawning now. See the sunrise behind Temperance. Temperance is also about transformation, the tempering process. We have transformed. We've had insights. We've had the insights we need to have, and now it's time to move forwards with them. And again, High Priestess is all about high intuition, high insight. We have that now. We've achieved it. More have joined us along the way, and now we take that into the next step. So, thank you everyone for everything you've been doing to put energy into accelerating this timeline. It's working. We keep doing it. We keep going, but there's no going back now. It's happening. And I'm really excited to see for the end of April how this is going to play out. Okay. We know it will. I'm just going to enjoy watching. Okay. So thanks everyone, and talk to you next time.